Elvis.
When have you seen Nikki looking like that?
She remember she love wear the thing. What Elvis sing? This blood night song Elvis sing again. But I can't help falling in love with you. Kiss me, baby. Active. Yeah, guys. I mean, no from we say Elvis. You want Sarah wind up her pelvis. Yeah, buckler, see shades them there. Dark shades like Ray Charles. What you mean?
See, do you see they're trying to set us? Well, they're trying to set me up.
Nobody not set you up, baby, after you're on a sofa. You know? Where they call the place where people have go buy the thing and set it up themselves? Like a furniture store. A famous furniture store, man, but you buy the thing them and bring them home and you have to set. No. The universe. IKEA. Them not set you up. It's not a furniture from IKEA.
Maybe they're asking a question to trigger.
Yes, it's somebody said IKEA. France. Next year, me and the French girl, them a go dance. Now worry yourself, man. Now worry yourself, France. You know what I mean? Don't rush. Keep on your pants.
Oh.
What that? Bahamas. Expect the Bahamas. Next year. You know what I mean? What that?
Which league?
No,
no alcohol today.
I can't say. Yeah, Panama. Big up Panama. Enough love.